How to redeem a Roblox gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem a Roblox gift card. Now the process itself is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through with this video. First things first, what you can do is, in order to redeem a Roblox gift card or the Roblox code, you can simply head into your browser on any of your device, any browser that you wish to that you use. Then you can head into your browser, and on the search bar you want to type in roblox.com/redeem. So you can see the roblox.com/redeem. Make sure to type it correctly, and once you type it, you want to tap on go. Once you tap on go, you'll head it to this particular page where it says redeem Roblox code. Here what you want to do is, first it'll ask you to log into your account. In my case, since I'm already signed in, it's not asking me. To check your profile, you can tap on profile icon at the top of your screen that you can see, and you can check which account you're logged in on. Then once you're logged into the correct account that you want to redeem your code on, you can simply enter in your code here and scroll down and tap on redeem, and you'll be able to redeem it. So this way you can redeem a Roblox gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.